Wagwan my peeps, it's your boy Albino. Still surviving while still I clear my head space and I analyze my emotions. Me just finish a 3-day fasting and me feel awesome for real. Me still I try get over my ex and me I try stay far from stress for real. But stress always find me. Like how patrol always find government road. Last week, one old friend linked me and tell me plain, Rammy, me hear a butcher look for you. Him say your life too good, you look too healthy, and him want a fat goat like you for dropping a some Manish Water. Me tell him plain and simple, go look for your mama and stop dream about me. No butcher nor, no farmer boy can send call me, much less run up on me and walk away in a one piece. As remember this, every day bucket a go well, but one day, the bottom of it drop out. And when it drop out, me dead there with my horn, ready for buck you in your esophagus. The butcher them gone mad, me people. Them all a put curry goat in a tin now. Me I tell you, them need to stick with Aki. Me true Rammy them know what sweet nanny goat. I go run him belly. And a goat with running belly. That no look good. Even Grace is a suspect. Them wanting up everything. Me nah lie. It sound like straight running belly if you ask me. Me no licky, me love me belly. But me no trust no spoon we pass through 10 kitchen. Me nah yam from everybody we walk with plastic smile and paper plate. Real talk. Me keep my circle tight, tighter than a granny old panty. Me walk in a positive light. But me head easy for chip. So now make me head off chip off like a half a block. And me end up buck down 2 fools back to back. So if you test my patience and draw me out like raffle ticket, you will get it. Me head quick for spark like 2 box of matches. So do me a favor, you cross me line, cause me allergic to goat shit. Me nah stop bucking till common sense I give it free. Walk good my people, and always look over your shoulder, because bad mind move silent like breeze pan dry leaf. Me gone. Mamba full Rammy energy.